What up? Go chat beta. We're gonna make something that I have never thought that I would make. And then we're also gonna have a little side piece over here that we're gonna make. But that's like it's pre-made, so don't worry about it. The power! Okay, anyway. You know, I'll just show you the ingredients. What we got: Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, olive oil, cream cheese, some thyme, some Worcestershire sauce, and some mushrooms. Nailed it. Oh wait, I think I'm missing something else. Hold on. You didn't see that. You don't see that. And then also, that says cheddar. I swear it says cheddar. And then butter. Salt. Onion powder. I think that's it. Okay. So, now that we got everything, okay, we back at it again. I've been de-stemming these mushrooms here. All right. Cool beans. Now that I finally got the tedious part out of the way, parchment paper. You crazy. Where's that aluminum foil? Okay. 8 ounces of cream cheese. Booyah, baby. Boom. Worcestershire sauce. Is this opened? Yeah, it is. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Teaspoons or tablespoons? Teaspoons. Show you. 1. 2. Now what? Three to 4 cloves garlic pressed. Wait, what? Where did the garlic come from? Wait. You mean this garlic? Oh, fuck, what does pressed mean? Hold on. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. Alright. Here's the teaspoon. And then 3/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Oh, wait. Am I supposed to add this to this? Yes, I am, okay. Just as fresh cracked black pepper. Okay. I just have to look up a YouTube video on how to press garlic. Chop it up. Alright. Here's my pressed 3 cloves of garlic. So I'm supposed to just toss them in the olive oil. Yeah, why did I put that on there? I'm an idiot. Anywho, I didn't even mix this yet. I'm such a good cook, right? You know what? We will we'll be right back after these messages. So yes, I'm assuming that it wants me to put... Wait, I'm so confused on what's going on right now. What? Man, these instructions are garbage. I'm just thinking, oh my god, I'm gonna make like the best fucking mushrooms ever. We're just gonna fold in the cheese. What the fuck does that mean? My god. I'll just sprinkle in some cheese in here into the mix and we'll call it a fucking day, okay? Fold in the cheese. Like, what does that even mean? Yep, maybe I'm an idiot. Maybe you lot know what's going on. Clearly not I. Okay, so we're all mixed together the panko, parmesan, and melted butter. Oh, melted butter. Oh, shit. How much butter? 1 tablespoon salted butter melted. 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Well, I don't have panko, but I have Publix. 2 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese. Right, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese. Right. I hope there's nothing in my oven. No, okay. Booyah. Oh, so good. Oh, it's so good. Alright, I ate a piece of garlic earlier, and I it can definitely taste it. Spoon the cheese filling into the mushroom. Use a small rubber spatula or the back of a spoon to press it in and level the top. Okay. Whatever you say, Dr. Jones. I know touch anything. Now I need more mushrooms. I think they expected my mushrooms to be bigger than what they are. Look, I can't please everybody. Gotta work with what I have, you know? It's not my fault. Shit. Alright. This shit's ridiculous, by the way. I've like wasted so much time, so I'm just, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully I don't run out of room. No, my phone is going off. Who dare text me while I'm in the middle of doing cooking with Beta? These better be fucking delicious, or else I'm gonna be extremely pissed off. Booyah. Let's go. Oh fuck, why did I do it there? Oh shit, my brain. My brain doesn't work properly. Check them out. What? What? Oh my goodness. Boom. And then we let it cook for grabbing cellular device 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. We'll be back. All right. That was part of my apartment now. But all right. Booyah. All right. So these are my cream cheese stuffed mushrooms. They hot. Alright, let them cool down. Alright, it might be cool enough. Yep. Oh hell yeah, dude. I'm gonna eat the shit out of these. And this has been cooking with Beta. Also as added bonus, jalapeno poppers. Oh, didn't even see me make them.
So state your name.
My name's Chad Beta.
Well, how would you explain that cooking is to you?
Cooking to me would be putting in passion into something. Really going that extra step to making it something great for other people to enjoy. And yeah.
So why do you cook?
Let's see. Back when I was like 10 years old, I wanted to cook. Cooking was like a huge thing for me. I used to watch like people cook and just watch my grandma cook. So I learned a lot of stuff from her, and yeah, just kind of been like a thing that I've wanted to do ever since.
So what drives you to keep cooking?
What drives me to keep cooking consistently is the reactions that people get from my food. They seem to like it, and so I keep making it and putting up these videos for it. Yeah.
Well, thank you for your time, and it's been a pleasure.